Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the Fire TV stick into an HDMI port and attach the official power adapter so the device gets steady current. Once powered, change your TV input to that HDMI source and insert fresh AAA batteries in the remote. You need a stable power source because intermittent USB power causes boot loops. After a few seconds, the Fire boot animation appears. Pairing begins automatically when the remote is close, so hold it near and press home to complete first pairing. Once paired, choose your language and follow prompts to connect to Wi-Fi. Type the password carefully because repeated failures lock temporary attempts. You sign in with your Amazon account so apps and purchases sync. If you prefer not to use an existing account, create a new one on the spot. Make sure to accept basic permissions so streaming quality and updates work correctly. After registration, the device downloads small updates. Allow that process to finish before installing apps to avoid interruptions. You finish by installing your primary streaming apps and signing into each service so recommendations populate quickly. Next, fine-tune display scaling and audio settings. Set resolution to match your TV and enable surround pass-through if you have a receiver. Make sure automatic updates is on to keep apps current. If playback stutters, reboot the stick and router. If problem persists, unplug power for 30 seconds and replug. This simple reset fixes most boot and network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.